Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today we are going to talk about markets on 8th of April. What was the major news because of which the markets were volatile, and what is going to happen tomorrow? We will also be sharing 5 intraday picks for tomorrow. So do watch the entire video and do not forget to go ahead and subscribe if you love the video. Here we go. Okay, on your screen right now is US 30 Dow future, and if we can make out 33,420 has been the level from where the market has fallen down since morning, and the low that it had made was 33,230ish, somewhere there, and again it has moved up to this 33,300 level. So this means that there is enough support at the bottom, and there can be chances that the market is sideways and then shows some positive or negative at the later part of the USD. So basis on this, the Indian markets can go ahead and react. One important thing is the only reason why the Indian markets are still holding themselves up even after so many cases being reported is because of US market. Any downfall on US market is going to be a bloodbath in Indian markets as well. Talking about Nifty, if you see a volatile day, and the second half has been volatile as well. So at the moment it has gone up two candles and then fallen down from there since 7:30, and even before that if you see it's red green, it's like a decision making zone. You can see it is a smaller head and shoulder kind of a pattern which is coming up right here. I will not be surprised if it doesn't move any further down or up and just be sideways for the remaining part of the day. Talking about Nifty Bank on 15 minutes chart, these lines are exponential moving averages. If you see, it is trading below all the moving averages: 15 moving average, 50 moving average, 100 moving average, and 200 moving average. It did try to go ahead and cross this level of 200 moving average, but it just was about to touch and just fell down again. So that has been the case on Nifty Bank. It is sell on rise pattern which has been there since quite a while. I think it's been like 3-4 days now that it's sell on rise, and there's nothing different that we have seen today. Yes, there was a gap up opening and then nothing happened. It just was there. It did try for some time and then it just fell down. So for me, it is very important that Nifty Bank shows strength above 33,200 levels. Only then we can see the 34,000 levels coming in the coming week. If not, then it can go down further and again test those levels of 32,200. The 1 day chart says the similar thing as we discussed. 33,800, 774 to be precise, is something which is going to be an important zone. Once the Nifty Bank crosses that, you can consider bullish trend, and if it doesn't cross that, and if there is any bearish sentiment in the US market, then you can see it falling below 32,161. Talking about Nifty, again a day which was not that great for the traders. On 1 day, if you see, it started selling, and at the top if you see, it's a huge wick, and basis on the analysis that we have done in past, I feel that the next day after such a wick is usually a bearish day. So what we did was we went for some call selling. We have personally went ahead and sold a call of 15,000, and I am pretty sure that was at 325, and I am pretty sure that we should get some good returns on that, because at that time it was trading at somewhere 110 odd rupees, and I am pretty sure that it is going to go ahead and give some good results tomorrow morning. Talking about Nifty 50 on 15 minutes chart, still stronger than Nifty Bank. The primary reason behind that is because the IT, the metal sector is doing incredibly well. In fact, JSW and other steel stocks are like trading at all-time high, I reckon. So do watch into that segment as well. Yes, if you see, the buying is like it's not able to cross that 15,000 level, and it's just pushing it down again and again and again and again. The good thing is now that it is trading above the 50 moving average, and anything that crosses this green line, which is the 15 moving average, can go ahead and help Nifty move upwards. But for tomorrow, I feel it is going to test those levels of 14,809 again. But that's again my assumption. You can go ahead and do your analysis based on this and consult your investing advisor before getting into a trade. There is a reason why I have kept seven, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because we wanted you to go ahead and see how bearish are the bankings and NBFCs right now. Indus End is the top loser in this particular day as well. It's not a huge drop as such, but still, when everything was positive, a drop of 1.13%. Sun Pharma, I think there was some profit booking there. SBI Life, again profit booking because it was running good in the last two odd sessions. ONGC, again a little considered it to be flat. HDFC Bank dropped about 14.4%, which is really strange at the moment because it's nearing to the results and everyone was predicting it to touch 1550 by the results. I reckon the rally might continue once the results are announced. So 1550 should be on the card in this month. At least once it should touch that level. Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance were again the losers of the day, about 1% of drop right there. Talking about the top 5 gainers, as we discussed, JSW Steel, Tata Steel. The steel sector is doing excellent at the moment. Shree Cement, Titan Company, and Hindalco. So if you see, 9.21% JSW Steel, 4.98% Tata Steel. It's something which is going to be a game changer for a lot of people. So do track these stocks, and yes, even if there is a profit booking in such stocks, it usually gives you your intraday targets on the sell side and helps you make good profits. I would say guaranteed profits once it breaks a level. So these are our 5 intraday picks for tomorrow. As we discussed, JSW Steel, you can buy above 638.35, sell below 592.28. IndusInd Bank, you can buy about 950.42, sell below 932.45. So Reliance on the list for tomorrow, you can buy about 2022, sell below 1995. Adani Ports, you can buy about 838 and sell below 806. Motherson Sumi, you can go ahead and buy about 218.85 and sell below 214.05. So that is it from our side. I hope that you have enjoyed this session. Do go ahead and share your feedback in the comment section. Let us know if there is any improvement that we can make, because we are, again, like you, human beings tend to go ahead and make mistakes and learn from our mistakes. So thank you so much for being a lovely audience. You have a blessed evening ahead.